Right, here we go on Curry's Aqua Valley. Lovely view. Over the park. We're not having the wheel this year, but yeah, time. First time getting soaked in Aqua Valley of the year. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Right, let's get the next drop going. Lovely view over the whole port. And we stopped. Block zone. Yeah, here we go again. Lovely view of the port. There's Star Traction, Canonas. The beast should be back soon, guys. Got time to drop. Also, they've been doing some work over there, so that's going to be interesting to see. Oh. Amazing.